Hello students, today we will discuss chapter 4 Urbanization. Under this chapter which we will discuss today, that are urbanization and its meaning, causes of urbanization, positive effects of urbanization and negative impacts of urbanization. What is urbanization? Urbanization is the increase in the population of people living in towns and cities as compared to those living in villages. It is a continuous process. Some places like Bermuda, Monaco, Cayman, though these are islands, but these are the regions with 100% of population living in urban centers. Now we will discuss causes of urbanization. The causes are industrial revolution, expansion of industries, modernization, and rural to urban migration. Let us discuss the causes individually. Industrial revolution. The industrial revolution that started in the late 18th century in England and later spread to Europe and North America gave rise to many industries. This increased the number of factories and also it created a demand for labor, and that is why people migrated from the villages to get jobs in these industries. Expansion of industries in Europe and North America led to rapid urbanization in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Modernization makes the urban areas and city life more attractive, because of which rural people migrates from rural areas to the urban areas, and that is why urbanization takes place. Rural to urban migration is another cause of urbanization. Since 1950, rapid urbanization has taken place in Asia, Africa and South America. A number of push factors and pull factors are responsible for it. Push factors like poverty, lack of employment opportunities, low standard of living and lack of social amenities are responsible for rural to urban migration. At the same time, some pull factors are also responsible, like in cities, employment opportunities are better, higher standard of living is present, better health care, education, recreation facilities are also available in cities. That is why people are migrating from rural areas to urban cities. Let's talk about some positive impacts of urbanization. Cities offer a large number of services and job opportunities which are not found in rural areas. Education, health care and entertainment opportunities are more readily available in cities than in village. Cities have better infrastructure and higher standard of living. People from various regions migrate to cities and they lead to exchange of ideas and diversity of culture. But some negative effects are also present there. Negative impacts of urbanization are: urbanization results in increase in pollution levels, mainly water pollution and air pollution. Overpopulation in the cities results in unemployment and underemployment. Overcrowding in cities leads to unhygienic conditions and gives rise to public health and sanitation issues. There is severe shortage of housing in the large cities, causing the growth of slums. So, that's all for today's class. Thank you very much.